Math 3, final benchmark, number 23. A vase in the shape of a right cylinder with both radius and height equal to 2x units. If the volume equals 8x cubed times pi represents the volume of the cylinder in cubic units, which represents the equation when solved for x. Alright, so if you look at your choices, each one is solved for x. So all we have to do is take this equation and solve for x. So we're going to say v equals 8x cubed times pi, where we want to get x by itself. We have multiplication here, so we're going to divide both sides by 8 pi. And I'm going to divide this side by 8 pi as well. So I'm going to have volume divided by 8 pi. On this side it cancels, and this cancels, and it leaves x cubed. So a cube root undoes something cubed, just like a square root undoes something squared. So we are going to take the cube root. You do need a 3 index here, or it's not a cube root. So we're going to have a cube root of the volume over 8 pi. So we're going to come over here and look. This one has cube root, but it's got the stuff under the cube root upside down. B part, still, it's upside down, but that doesn't have an index, so that means that's a square root if there's no index, so both of those are incorrect. C says the cube root of v over 8 pi. So if we look here, cube root of v over 8 pi, that is our answer. And this one, again, doesn't have an index, so even though the other part looks correct, that's assumed to be a 2. It's assumed to be a square root when there's no index, so that one is incorrect as well. So, number 23, the correct answer is C.